Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a beautiful verse, Trains, written by Humayun Kabir. Dear children, this verse is given in your book in Unit 2, Section 3. So let's begin it. First of all, we will discuss a little about the poet Humayun Kabir. Humayun Kabir was a Bengali poet, novelist, educationist and politician. He was educated at Exeter College, Oxford and graduated in 1931. Kabir had been heavily involved with the Oxford Union during his student days, having been elected secretary in 1930 and librarian in 1931. We will discuss about the gist of the verse. Humayun Kabir in his poem Trains focuses on the feelings and excitement of a boy who watches trains passing by from his window all day long. His childlike curiosity is natural to see them moving all the times. Hence, he questions his mother. His keen observation and innocence make the poem an honest depiction of child's mind. So, let's discuss about the main points of the poem. The poem is about a little child who is very fond of trains. It is also about different kinds of trains and the child's reaction on seeing them. In the first stanza, the child compares the goods train with that of an elephant. Similarly, the goods train moving and covering his journey in a tired way moves in a dark shadow. In the second stanza, the child sees a passenger train. The train which is passed and appears as if there is a marriage and the train moving is a procession which is beautiful and shiny. In the third stanza, the child presents the world as sleepy and tired as it is a hot season. The crow does not cry and the dog hangs its tongue outside being thirsty due to the heat. But the child's amusement needs no retirement. And the fourth stanza shows the child's obsession with the train. In his obsession, he gets up in the night and sits up on his bed, rubs his eyes and looks outside the window to find the train moving on the iron roads. In the final stanza, the child's sympathy pours in the form of a question. He wants to know that where all these trains go after all. After covering a long distance, the destination of these tired trains is still unknown to the child. So, that's all about the main points of the poem. Tomorrow, I will discuss the whole summary of the poem Train.